Welcome to Smartwatch Specs.
Good day, this is smartwatchspecifications.com, the premier site for smartwatch specs, news, and reviews. We are back with our iTel Fit O23 Plus smartwatch. And on this video, we are going to demo or we'll check if the music control function is working. Okay, it is connected on our Android smartphone. So let's check if we can control the following popular applications. So we have here the following apps. We have the YouTube Music, and Spotify. So if you are interested to see if the iTel Fit O23 Plus smartwatch music control function works with these apps, watch this video. And again, support our channel, like, share, and subscribe. Okay, so let's begin and explore the music control function of our iTel Fit O23 Plus smartwatch. Our smartwatch here is connected on the iPulse application. Okay, so let's look for our app here. Let's see if there are some options for the smartwatch on the app. We have here the iPulse. As you can see, we are connected. Do have the other settings here. We have a camera control, but I don't see any options for the music control. Let's see. We have race to wake, time format, okay, all day heart rate. So seems like there's no option. Let's check it here on the smartwatch. We have the settings, sound and vibration, only the ringtone, that is for the messages and calls. We have the Bluetooth here. Okay, let's see. Media audio. The media audio will be played through the watch when it is connected to the mobile phone. We'll activate it later on. Let's see. Okay, so far that's the only options that we see. Okay, so let's try. Let's start. Okay, let's start with our Spotify application. So let's open the Spotify app. And of course, we will mute the sound here to avoid any copyright issues. So we have here this one. Let's check. Okay, The Weekend. Okay, Starboy. Let's play with this one. So what is the song? Starboy. Okay, so Starboy. Here on the smartwatch, we have the music control. Okay, it is playing now, as you can see. Okay, but we don't have the title. Let's see if this will change. Okay. Next. Love on the Brain. Thank you. Next. Yes, it is working. Next. So far, we do have here, Closer. Next. Okay, so it is working. Let's see with the volume here. Yes, it works. Okay, stop. Play. Next. The only issue here is that we don't have the title. Okay, but it is working with the Spotify application so far. Okay, We do have the volume adjustment. Okay. Okay, the connection here is smooth so far. It is connected, and the action or the response is in real time, no delay so far. And stop. Okay, so it works with our Spotify application. Next, let's have the YouTube Music. So far it says here no music. It is disconnected. Let's see here if it will be connected to our YouTube Music. I'm going to pick this one. Love takes time. Do have an ad here. Let's wait. And seems like it's already working, as you can see here. Next, yes, changes. Next, next, stop, play, go back, stop, next, next, volume adjustment. Oh, okay. Oh. And set. So far it is working for our YouTube Music. The connection is smooth. We can go forward, go backward, play, and mute the sound or adjust the volume, increase and decrease the volume, as you can see here. Go back. Okay, so that's it so far. We do have a very good results on our music control function for our iTel Fit O23 Plus smartwatch. It is working with Spotify and the YouTube Music. Next, let's have the YouTube app. Okay, let's try with this one. I guess we can now increase the volume. Okay, let's wait for the ad to end. Okay, we do have here the rural Arkansas. Okay, as you can see, it's working. Let's see.
Arkansas. First thing I'm showing you
Okay,
is the county courthouse.
next, next, next.
I know a pretty viable option here. We've seen
Adjust the volume.
like hyper-aggressive, even with like Vendetta.
Go back, stop. Next, 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 next. Okay, next, next, stop, stop. Okay, I'm going to pick this one, true crime. Let's see. Next, stop, and it is working so far. And as you can see here, we can go forward, go backward,
Thanks for joining us for this episode.
then adjust the volume here on the smartwatch with the YouTube app. Okay, so it is working perfectly with the YouTube application. So before we end, I want to check again. The volume or the sound is coming from the smartphone. I just want to try this one. We do have an option earlier, the media audio. So it says the media audio will be played through the watch when it is connected to the mobile phone. We'll check this. Then we'll play it again. Let's see if you can listen on the smartwatch. Play. Yes, it is working. As you can see here, the sound is coming from the smartwatch. Okay. Earlier, the video is using the speaker of our smartwatch or smartphone. This time, it's now on the smartwatch. Okay, can adjust the volume. Can decrease. Okay. If you want to use the speaker of our smartphone just go back again to the settings. We have here the Bluetooth connectivity menu, disable the media audio, then back again, the music control, then play. Okay, so easy, very easy to switch. There's no delay.
Went by. We
Okay, I'm going to display it.
Would either one of
So
you
it's still
ever
working.
guessed the turn this case would
Going
take
back
on
again,
January 7th,
settings.
1994?
Let's see if it will work. Going back, and that's it. Okay, so far very good for our iTel Fit smartwatch, iTel Fit O23 smartwatch when it comes to music control function. I think the only missing is the title or the name of the music or the video. Again, if you have any questions regarding the video demo, drop a comment below and support our channel. Like, share, and subscribe. Bye.